Today I'm going to be reviewing the Beard Club Derma Roller. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So what exactly is it? Let's take it out of the box and see what we got. All right, and here's the Beard Club Derma Roller. I do like the fact that it comes in a case. This is what it looks like when you take it out. Now, just so you know, this is just plastic. It does not feel substantial. It weighs very little, but these are really nice. So what you got little needles on there, 540 titanium needles on there. And what you can do is you can roll it against your skin to promote hair growth on your head, which is used a lot to promote hair growth. It definitely is something that works. One thing to keep in mind when you're using this, each time you use it, you're going to want to clean it afterwards. By the way, this does come in some other colors. This is also going to exfoliate and improve skin appearance, helps improve skin texture. They suggest to do this twice a week. You can talk to your skin doctor or look it up, but twice a week is probably pretty good. They suggest to roll it vertically 6 times like this and horizontally 6 times in the area that you want, lifting the roller between each pass. This is an Amazon choice. It gets 4.4 stars. It has almost 4,000 reviews. Last month, believe it or not, 10,000 of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.